Peace, greetings, salutations, Hotep. So, look, why I don't have a strategic paradigm for training. Let me say, so because of I don't train for a specific sport, see? I don't train for a sport. When you train for something, you have to create a program that is designed to have you at your optimal performance by the time of the competition. I don't train for that. So I don't care about sets, reps, and time and all that stuff. What I do is that I test myself periodically to see where I'm at. And that's because I don't train for a particular thing. Now, if you're exercising because this is life, I'm exercising and I'm looking out for myself and I'm loving myself and I'm caring for myself because I'm here for myself. And without myself, what can I do for others, right? So you take care of yourself so that you're able to be at your best on a consistent basis. Now, will you be at optimal level all the time? No, you won't. But when you're playing a particular sport, when you're in a sport, okay, or you're competing for something, you do want to be optimal by the time the sport takes place, by the time the competition takes place. You do want to be optimal. So you have to strategize, you have to plan, you have to organize, and you have to set up and schedule yourself professionally if you want to get to a professional level. If you don't want to get to a professional level, you still want to be at your optimal performance, but for other reasons. So there you have it.